Your large washer rebuild kit will include one brush and shaft, one large sprocket, one small sprocket, one chain, two bearings, and one keyway. The first step would be to remove power from the ball washer. Next, drain the water from the tank. Hinge and remove top. Remove nuts using a 7/16 socket. Inspect brush, bearings, and chain. Check tension on the chain. If inadequate, loosen 4 bolts using a 7/16 socket. Pull down on the motor and retighten. If washer needs a complete rebuild, remove the chain, large sprocket, small sprocket, and keyway. Loosen set screws on bearing and remove nuts using a 1/2-inch socket. Remove full spiral assembly from tub. With the spiral upside down on table, remove 2 nuts on the end of the spiral. Remove bearings from both ends and remove in plate of spiral. Remove old brush and shaft assembly. Install new brush into spiral. Reinstall spiral end plate and install carriage bolts and nuts on end plate. Tighten nuts using a 1/2-inch socket. Install bearings on either end and leave loose. Install assembly into tub. Install bearings and secured nuts using a 1/2-inch socket. Install small sprocket and insert keyway onto shaft. Tighten set screws on sprocket. Push shaft towards the opposite end of the ball, washer and secure bearings and all set screws. Install large sprocket with teeth towards the ball washer. Tighten set screws. Install chain and pull motor down to ensure chain is tight. Tighten 4 screws on the motor. Install new chain guard using 7/16 socket. Your large P2 ball washer is now ready for use.